Hare Krishna and welcome, my dear friends, to this sacred space where we embark on a journey of spiritual enrichment and inspiration. I'm deeply honored to have you join me today as we delve into the timeless pages of one of our authored books to recite a beautiful spiritual pastime. Within the pages of this book lies a tapestry of stories, a tapestry woven with the threads of devotion, wisdom, and love. The pastime I'm about to share holds a special place in my heart, and I believe it has the power to touch yours as well. As the words flow from the lips, let them be a bridge that connects us beyond the physical realm, transcending time and space. Let's remember that these stories are not just tales of the past, but living embodiments of eternal truths that resonate even today. Hare Krishna.
In the ancient and holy town of Vrindavan, there lived a great saint named Swami Haridas Ji, who was a devoted worshipper of Lord Krishna and Radharani. It is said that he was the reincarnation of Lalita Sakhi, one of the closest confidants of Sri Radha and Krishna. One day, as Swami Haridas was lost in his intense devotion, Lord Krishna and Srimati Radharani appeared in person in Nidhivan, where he used to perform his daily bhajan. The divine couple's beauty and charm were so overwhelming that the mortal beings, who were the disciples of Swami Haridas, were unable to bear it. Seeing this, the Swami requested Sri Radha, Krishna to take a unified form that would be easier for his disciples to behold. He asked them to merge into a single black charming idol like a cloud, Khan, and lightning, Damini. The Lord and his beloved obliged their devotees' request and merged into a single form known as Banke Bihari Ji, who is worshipped even today in the Banke Bihari temple. Swami Haridas used to sing divine and soulful bhajans for the pleasure of the Lord and wanted to have the darshan of Srimati Radharani and Lord Krishna together in combined, yugal, form. Since the divine couple reciprocates as per the desire of the devotee, they mercifully merged together in the Tribhanga form and appeared before Swami Haridas as the deity of Banke Bihari Ji. From that time until 1862, the deity of Banke Bihari Ji was venerated in the same place in Nidhivan until the Goswami family who served him decided to construct the magnificent Banke Bihari Ji Mandir that stands today. Tansen, the famous musician and poet, and one of the 9 Navratanas in Akbar's court, was a disciple of Swami Haridas. Tansen learned music and devotion from Swami Haridas in the early part of his life. After hearing about Swami Haridas from Tansen, Akbar had an inner calling to listen to the transcendental voice and music of Swami Haridas. But Swami Haridas didn't sing for anybody except the Lord. Akbar came with Tansen and was hiding in a bush while Swami Haridas was singing for the lordships. He was so moved that he went to him and fell at his feet. The resting place of Swami Haridas is at Nidhivan, and as one enters Nidhivan, the first small temple that comes in the way is the Samadhi of Swami Haridas, where he used to reside and do his bhajan. It is the same place where the deity of Banke Bihari Ji appeared before him. Today, the Banke Bihari temple is a place of great spiritual significance and attracts devotees from all over the world who come to witness the divine beauty of Lord Krishna and Radharani in their yugal form. The temple's architecture bears the influence of the Rajasthani style, with magnificence added by the arches and pillars. The temple's rich history and unique traditions continue to enchant and inspire devotees to this day.